the net. He's pretty decent, bro. Get the net. He's trying to break me off. He's trying to break. He's flipping. You got the GoPro on?
Yep.
Good. You got the GoPro?
Yep.
Tell me that tsunami ain't badass. Tell me that tsunami ain't badass. Huh? Get the live well going. Yeah, she's not full down. Give me the pliers, man. He freaking bowled right on that baby. See, when a bass hits it, they go right down on it. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Tsunami. Good hook set. Get him in the water a little.
Hold on, let me weigh him first.
Hold on.
Wait, hold on.
Get him in the gill. In the gill play. You got him in the gill play?
Yep. 5.
4 or 6. You got your phone?
No, I got my the camera though.
You got your what?
Got the camera. Hold the fish up a little bit. Alright, hold it. Hold it like a Reese Blanco.
What do you mean Reese Blanco?
Like that. Alright, just hold it like the mouth coming to the camera. Like. Alright, good fish it. Put him in the live well. We would have both had lunkers if I would have caught mine. But on the real tree, the brim pole.
Buddy, put him in the net. Buddy, put him in the net.
Alright.
Put him in the net. Revive him a little bit in the net.
Dad, is this thing on right? Yeah. It'll be good for now. Let's see how long he is. See how long he is.
Hopefully we get another one. He's got a little hard mouth on him though. Oh, hold on, how you get in here?
Hey, go ahead and do that.
He's beating himself all up. As long as it ain't leaking, we're on. He destroyed my frog, I think.
Mm.
I may need your help on my frog. He destroyed my frog. But I said it.